So it's a deal?
Yep, first to the gate.
Gets the window seat.
Any ground rules?
No rules.
Oh, that's not gonna work.
Are you just gonna use magic the whole time?
That's... sorry.
Not that one.
Oh. It's like...
No, it's not funny. Okay. Okay.
And here we go.
Woo! Always fly turkey. And I got this one. You know, home run. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Okay. What gate?
Wait a minute.
Here, please.
Okay.
Thanks, bye-bye.
You're welcome. E6, please.
No, wait. No, I got here first. Look, my ticket's underneath yours.
Hey, wait a second.
I'm sorry, gate is closed.
What? When's the next flight?
Well, what are we gonna...
Wait, Gigi. Well, that's great, but who's gonna fly it?
Gate 9 to Los Angeles, now boarding at Gate 9.
Gate 9? Oh, it's not a 6. Oh, thank you.
Looks like the magic didn't pan out for you this time. Good night, buddy.
Good night.